Welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can convert image into text. So sometimes you may have a picture with some text on it. You want to convert it into text so that you will not have to type the whole thing. And if you don't have, if you don't know how to do that, I'll show you how to do that in this video. So you come to your browser and type image to text. So you will see this particular website. So you click on image to text, extract text from image. Then you'll be asked to upload the image. So you go to where the image is located. I want to use this one. So I've uploaded it. So when you upload it, you click on convert. So as you can see, it has converted the text, the image into text. So this is it. You see, yeah. So this is what I want. So you can just copy it. So for example, you can now just paste it at where you want. So as you can see, I have it in text format. So that is exactly how you can convert an image into text. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section if you have any problem if you have any problem doing this and you may need my help. You can leave your comments. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.